Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and this video is a request by Dragonfire 810 to draw a dragon called I think it's called a Knucker. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of dragon is it, but I looked it up online and I saw the photos of the dragon, so I'm going to draw it right now. It kind of sounds like a bad word for some reason. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna start with the head. I don't know. Knucker sounds like a bad name for some reason. Sounds like a curse word. I'm gonna draw the neck, draw the body right here. Going to draw the mouth. Gonna draw the other eye. I'm gonna draw the body. It's kind of a long, slender body, unlike with most dragons. It's kind of more snake-like. Let's erase a little bit. Got broke my pencil. I sharpen it a little bit. Okay. It's a long, slender body with a tail and stuff. You know what? I'm going to make the body a little bit longer. Kind of like that. And the Knucker also has wings. It's more of a sea dragon too, and it lives in Knucker wells. I'm going to draw the tail like this. Tail that it swims with. And I'll do a little correction right here with the neck. That's better. Yep, and I think this is how it looks, the Knucker dragon. At least with photos online. It's a long, slender body like a snake and stuff. It shows like a snake and stuff. Yep. Kind of like a snake-like body, like with most reptiles. Well, in case unless you're a turtle or something. Yeah, that's it. In case I messed up something, leave it in the comment section if I didn't get the proportions right, and that's it.